is. Come on. Yeah, spot. Spitting up all kind of stuff. Woo. Uh-oh. Hold on, bud. Throw you back. There we go. There she is. A little bitty spot. It's a spot, might be a little large here. No, it's a spot. Pretty thing. Living shallow. So guys, today we're going to be talking about how to establish a pattern and why it's so important in bass fishing. It's one of the most important topics, and if you don't understand how to establish a pattern, it can make a very good beginning of a day very, very difficult. So stay tuned, this is something you don't want to miss.